At ulua.com, we use relevant stock footage to support our informative content about various fish species. Due to limited access to species-specific footage, not all visuals may accurately depict the discussed species. The video serves as an illustrative guide, not a definitive identification resource. For precise identification, we encourage referencing additional reliable sources. We appreciate your understanding and support for ulua.com. Enjoy the video and the knowledge it brings. What is a mahi-mahi and 10 facts you should know? If you're looking to add some flavor and adventure to your next seafood dish, why not try cooking up a mahi-mahi? This colorful fish is known for its bold taste and versatility in the kitchen. But before diving into this culinary delight, let's explore what makes it such a unique catch. First things first, what exactly is a mahi-mahi? Often referred to as simply mahi, this species of fish is found in tropical waters around the world. With their distinctive bright colors and elongated bodies, mahi-mahi are often considered one of the most beautiful game fish out there. And while they may be sought after by anglers for their sport value, these creatures also offer plenty of nutritional benefits that make them an excellent choice for any meal plan. So if you're ready to take your taste buds on a journey through the tropics, keep watching for 10 fascinating facts about this flavorful fish. Species identification. Are you familiar with the mahi-mahi fish? It's a popular game fish that is found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world. One of the first things to know about this species is how to identify it. There are several identification methods, including examining its shape, color variations, and size. The mahi-mahi has a distinctive shape, its body tapers towards the tail, and it has a blunt head with a protruding lower jaw. Its dorsal fin runs almost the entire length of its body and can be raised or lowered at will. When it comes to colors, adult mahi-mahi have bright blue-green backs that fade into yellow on their sides and bellies. Juvenile mahi-mahi tend to be more muted in coloration, with dark bars across their bodies. However, one thing to watch out for is false mahi-mahi. There are other species like pompano dolphinfish that look very similar but lack some of the defining features of true mahi-mahi. It's important to note that juvenile and adult mahi-mahi differ not only in their coloring but also their size. Juveniles typically weigh between 1 to 3 pounds while adults can grow up to 30 pounds. Additionally, there have been instances where hybridization occurs between different species of dolphinfish like Coryphena hipparus, the common dolphinfish, and Coryphena equicellus, the pompano dolphinfish, resulting in offspring that exhibit characteristics from both parents. As you can see, identifying these fish isn't always straightforward, but understanding the differences between them helps ensure proper conservation efforts are taken to protect each unique species. Physical characteristics and appearance. Prepare to be awed by the stunning physical characteristics of the mahi-mahi, a fish that is nothing short of spectacular. Its size range can vary from just a few pounds to over 50 pounds, and its agile body shape makes it a marvel to watch in action. With color variations ranging from deep blues and greens to bright yellows and oranges, this fish truly stands out as one of a kind. The scales texture of the mahi-mahi is unique as well. They are small, circular, and tightly packed together, creating an almost iridescent effect when light bounces off them. Additionally, these scales serve as excellent protection against predators like sharks or barracudas. The eye structure of the mahi-mahi is another fascinating feature. Their eyes are disproportionately large compared to other fish species, giving them exceptional vision even in low-light conditions. Overall, the physical appearance of the mahi-mahi is simply awe-inspiring. It's no wonder why anglers around the world seek this remarkable fish out for sport fishing expeditions or commercial purposes. Whether you're admiring its vibrant colors or intrigued by its unique scales texture and eye structure, there's something undeniably captivating about this majestic creature. So next time you find yourself near ocean waters where mahi-mahi thrive, keep your eyes peeled for these amazing creatures. You won't regret it. Habitat and range. As a highly prized game fish, mahi-mahi have captivated anglers and seafood enthusiasts around the world. But where exactly do these magnificent creatures live? Let's explore their habitat and range. Mahi-mahi are found in warm waters of the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. They prefer oceanic environments with temperatures ranging from 20 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. These fish can be commonly found near floating debris or patches of seaweed, which serve as shelter for smaller organisms that they prey on. Despite being considered an open water species, mahi-mahi are known to migrate across vast distances throughout their lifetime. Their migration routes often follow the currents that carry them to different geographical locations. As such, it is not uncommon for them to appear in various marine distributions all over the globe. From Hawaii to Costa Rica and South Africa to Australia, you never know where you'll find a mahi-mahi next. Feeding habits and diet. When it comes to feeding habits, the mahi-mahi is a true predator. Its diet mainly consists of small fish such as sardines and anchovies, as well as squid and crustaceans. Mahi-mahi are known for their opportunistic feeding behavior, meaning they will eat whatever prey is available in their pelagic ecosystem. As predators themselves, mahi-mahi play an important role in maintaining the balance of the pelagic food chain. They feed on smaller fish, which helps to control their population levels, preventing them from overeating other organisms that make up the lower rungs of the food web. Aside from being an important member of the ocean's ecosystem, mahi-mahi also offer great nutritional value for humans. Their flesh is high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, making it a healthy choice for those looking to incorporate more seafood into their diets. Furthermore, ongoing research suggests that this species has aquaculture potential due to its fast growth rate and hardiness in captivity. In summary, while often sought after by anglers for sport or commercial purposes, there is much more to learn about this fascinating creature. From its predatory feeding habits within the pelagic ecosystem to its potential role in sustainable aquaculture practices, we have only scratched the surface when it comes to understanding all there is to know about the mahi-mahi. Behavior and migration patterns. Mahi-mahi is a highly migratory species that can be found in many tropical and subtropical waters around the world. Understanding their behavior and migration patterns is crucial for successful fishing expeditions. Mahi-mahi are social creatures, often traveling in large schools with other fish such as tuna or billfish. They tend to stay near floating debris or weed lines where they feed on small fish, squid, and crustaceans. Mahi-mahi also have complex hunting strategies where they work together to trap their prey. Breeding grounds for mahi-mahi are typically located near warm ocean currents, which provide ideal conditions for spawning. These areas can change seasonally based on water temperatures, so tracking these patterns is important for conservation efforts. Overall, understanding the behavior and movements of mahi-mahi is essential not only for catching them but also for protecting this valuable species from overfishing. Reproduction and life cycle. When it comes to mahi-mahi, the species' unique appearance and delicious taste are not their only impressive traits. Their breeding behavior and reproductive success are equally fascinating. The mahi-mahi spawning process is nothing short of extraordinary, with females releasing eggs while males fertilize them in a synchronized dance. During mating season, the male mahi-mahi will turn bright green and blue to attract potential mates. They then form schools where they compete for female attention. Once a pair has formed, the two fish swim closely together until the female releases her eggs. These eggs float on the surface of the water and eventually hatch into larvae. The growth rate of these larvae is remarkable, as they can grow up to an inch per day. Mahi-mahi typically live for about 4 to 5 years, but some have been known to reach up to 6 years old. With such incredible breeding behavior and rapid growth rates, it's no wonder that this species has become such a popular catch among anglers worldwide. Recreational and commercial fishing. After learning about the fascinating reproduction and life cycle of mahi-mahi, it's important to also consider their place in recreational and commercial fishing. Regulations and restrictions are necessary to maintain healthy populations, but they can also have economic impacts on those who rely on fishing for their livelihoods. Sustainability practices, such as using selective gear and avoiding overfishing, are crucial for maintaining a balanced ecosystem. Fishery management plays a key role in implementing these practices while also considering the needs of local communities. However, despite efforts to promote sustainability, there is still potential for negative environmental impact from fishing activities. Overall, understanding the complex relationship between mahi-mahi and human activity highlights the importance of responsible fishing practices. By prioritizing sustainability and supporting fishery management efforts, we can ensure that future generations will be able to enjoy this amazing species for years to come. Conservation efforts and status. Ironically, as mahi-mahi continues to gain popularity among seafood enthusiasts, its conservation challenges are also on the rise. Unsustainable fishing practices have led to overfishing and a decline in population numbers, which threatens the future of this species. However, there is hope for their survival through sustainable fishing methods and community involvement. To address the conservation challenges facing mahi-mahi, sustainable fishing practices must be implemented. This includes limiting the number of fish caught each year and enforcing regulations that prohibit certain types of nets or equipment that can harm marine life. Additionally, creating marine protected areas where these fish can thrive without being disturbed by human activity is vital. Community involvement plays a crucial role in protecting mahi-mahi populations. Local fishermen can serve as stewards of their resources by assisting with research efforts and reporting illegal fishing activities. Furthermore, ecotourism opportunities provide an alternative source of income for coastal communities while promoting awareness about the importance of conserving this species. In summary, although mahi-mahi faces significant conservation challenges due to unsustainable fishing practices and habitat destruction, there are solutions available to ensure its long-term survival. By implementing sustainable fishing methods, establishing marine protected areas, involving local communities in conservation efforts, and promoting ecotourism opportunities, we can protect this magnificent fish for generations to come. In conclusion, the mahi-mahi is a fascinating fish that has captured the hearts of many anglers and seafood lovers alike. With its vibrant colors and impressive size, it's no wonder why it's such a popular catch in recreational fishing. However, it's important to note that commercial fishing practices have put this species at risk. According to recent studies, overfishing has led to a decline in mahi-mahi populations in certain areas around the world. In fact, some regions have reported up to a 65% decrease in numbers over the past few decades. This alarming statistic sheds light on the importance of responsible fishing practices and conservation efforts to ensure that future generations can enjoy this incredible fish as well. We truly hope you enjoyed journeying through this experience with us. If you found this content enriching, enlightening, or simply entertaining, please give us a big thumbs up. It really does make a difference. For more exciting content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification bell as well. This way, you'll be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Got thoughts or suggestions about today's topic? We'd love to hear from you. Feel free to drop a comment below and let's get the conversation going. And if you believe our content would benefit others, share our video with friends and family. Before we part ways, we want to thank you for your time and for being part of our growing community. So, until our next adventure, stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and have a fantastic day.